Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're out for another adventure. Just taking the car out up to the hills. This is Horse Rock Ridge. It's been a little while since we've been here. I think over a year probably, maybe more. Used to come here, it's like a staple for us. It was one of the first hikes we learned about. I even came here for the bachelor party. So brought my friends up here when they were out visiting for the bachelor party. And we're not gonna go quite as far today, but it's like 3/4 mile to get to the opening, where it's like a vast opening on the ridge and very pretty views. So Grayson just woke up from a nap. We got him packed up in the Deuter and we are going to be on our way here soon. Grayson's ready to go. He is like breathing like a dog. Whee!
Grayson looks like he's like,
oh, I haven't used this in a while. And he's heavier. We can do it. Let's go. I used to go up the rocks before that was a thing. Do you have to duck under that big log? I have a big Grayson on my back. You still in there, Grayson?
Yes, I'm still in here.
Yeah, you gotta duck under that? Cool.
Duck under that.
You comfy, Grayson?
Yes.
Oh, time for our first break after 5 minutes.
yeah. You're breaking a sweat.
I am. I got a sweat going.
This is a good workout.
It's something.
Uh,
Having fun, Grayson?
yes.
You want to keep going?
Yes.
Okay, keep going. We're going through this corridor. This is a new feature that wasn't here last time I was here. New from the trees falling down. There's some new features, we'll call them, that have arrived since I was last here. The winter time and the storms and snow and ice up here brings new fallen trees, fallen branches every year. So we get new obstructions in the pathway, new growth, new things that weren't here before. This looks pretty similar. A straight uphill with some logs to walk over. Are you being a dog, Grayson?
Yes.
On his arm.
Yes.
Can you bark?
Is that a big log?
Yes, this big log.
What are we gonna do? Can you climb over?
Yes.
You guess. You want a hand? How about over here? Throw your leg all the way over. There you go. There we go. We did it.
Yeah. I go over the log.
You want to go over another log?
A big log with legs.
With your legs?
Yes.
Yeah. Wouldn't want you to use anything else.
Yes.
Whoa, Gray.
Yeah.
Grayson did
He's a
it.
beast.
Yes, Grayson did it.
Yeah.
Yes. With a leg. go up. Oh, a tiny bump.
She threw that rocket, Mom.
Yes.
Climbing them rocks.
Oh, big throw.
Is that another big throw?
Yes. Oh, listen, go up these rocks. Rocks.
Going up these rocks, huh?
Yes. Let's go forward. Another one. A big throw.
What a big throw.
Yes. Walked up high.
Okay. Trying really hard, huh, bud? You got it, come on. You could do it. I believe in you. Yeah, look at you go. Yeah, breathe hard, breathe deep. Get those grunts going.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, you could do it.
Yes.
I knew you could do it.
Yes.
We're almost to the top where it's a good view. This is such a huge ridge. It doesn't look that big, but I've walked it before and it's huge. Let's see if I can show those people. There's people right there. Look at how tiny those people are. Those people are very tiny because this ridge is massive. Such a pretty view. Nice clear day today. Just beautiful. So this is the top of where we're going to today. Just over 3/4 of a mile, I think. The opening down there, I think, where it first opens up out into this, I think is 3/4 of a mile from the car.
Down.
So I have no idea how far it is up to the top of that hill, but I've done it before. It's been like 5 or more years, maybe. Like 4 or 5 years. I went about halfway up, pitched a hammock in those trees right there and hung out, did an afternoon thing. That was a nice day. Yeah, I wonder if I can dig up a picture of that and show that here. That'd be cool. But yeah, this is it for today. This is kind of the goal usually, just get to here, have such a nice, beautiful view of this Horse Rock Ridge. The shapes of these rocks right here are like the back, like the mane of a horse. That's my guess. So with the naming, otherwise I don't really know the history behind it. Anyways, it was super successful. We got out here, we got going, just, you know, early afternoon thing. Grayson, you know, sort of was relaxed and chill in the beginning because he was just waking up from a nap, and then he wanted to walk after a ways. So we'll see how far he makes it down. Hopefully the whole way. That would be cool. So we're gonna get headed down the mountain now. Well, mountain. We're gonna get headed down now, and yeah, get back to the house and complete our short hike for the weekend. So if you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate all the donations and the support that I have for the content. Thank you so much. And
Grayson says, let's go.
yeah,
We made it.
we made it.
I wasn't so sure. Kenny said Grayson was heavy.
Grayson was heavy. He's weighing about 31 pounds now. So, and it's been like, I don't even know, a year since I've had him in this thing. So it's been, he was really heavy. When I took him off the back, it was so much lighter and it felt way more doable. Well, but I did the first, you know, half or whatever with him on, probably 2/3 of the way. And we're gonna see how long it takes us to get down now.
Yeah.
It's nice and shady in the beginning, and it's not too steep. So it's nice because you don't get the sun, the harsh sun, until you really get out into this opening. So that's a really good factor about this one. Really love this hike, and like, you know, you could just keep going for, that would probably take us like another hour or more to get all the way to the top. But this is huge. It's like you start walking it and it's just like, oh wow, this is a lot bigger, because it like rolls down and you can't even see, there's like dips that you can't even see. So I can't explain how far that is. Grayson, do you want to tell them what you thought of the hike?
Yes.
Yes, how was it?
Good.
It was good? Is it a good day out?
Yes.
Yeah.
Take a picture with mommy.
Picture time.
Cheese.
Grayson, look at mommy's camera.
Cheese. It has been a very successful hike. We took quite a long time off from hikes because it's been a tough thing carrying Grayson, him in the middle of wanting to walk and can't walk really at all. So this has been right, he would get very upset when he couldn't walk, and he'd throw a fit in the backpack, and so it was just a thing. But now he can sort of comprehend and understand, like, okay, wait till we get to the shade and you can walk then. And so he's like, okay. And so we'll do that. And then he can, you know, walk pretty well, and we don't have to worry about him falling or slipping much. And we can go at a good pace, and he can actually outrun us. So yeah, very successful hike. We need to get back doing this some more.
Yeah.
We used to hike so much, and it's gotten away from us. Grayson, what do the wheels on the bus do?
Go round and round and around. The bus go round and round all our town. Does a bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut? Does a bus go open and shut all a town? A bus go vroom, 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 vroom. Bus go vroom, 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 all a town. All right.
What do the babies on the bus do?
Go wow wow wow, wow wow wow, wow wow wow. A baby, a bus go wow wow wow. All a town.
And then what do the mamas do?
Go shh 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 shh. A mommy and Max go shh shh shh. All a town. A daddy, a bus go, I love you, I love you, I love you. A daddy, a bus go, I love you, all a town.
Nice. How old are you, Grayson?
A 2.5.
Yeah, buddy.
A phone.
Cleaning up the rocks off the trail.
Yes. Let's do another one. Let's do another one.
Let's go. Can you step over this log?
Let's step over this log.
Mm-hmm.
Let's step over this log.
You got it. Throw your leg over. Hear the birdies.
Yes.
Hear the dirt bike.
Did it.
You did it.
There's another log.
Another log. A big one?
Yes, this is a big one. Wow, Grayson did it.
That's right, bud.
Oh, there's another over here. There's a by a trees.
They're good logs?
It's just good logs. Whoa. I need some help.
How about you put a foot on it and then we put both feet on it? So step up. One jump. 1, 2.
Well, so that was the hike. That was Horse Rock Ridge. And it's a hike that we love. It's not too difficult. Clearly I could carry a 30+ pound baby toddler for, you know, 2/3 of the hike or whatever, and it was doable. Could have done the whole thing because I'm strong. Oh my gosh, a little bit tired. Anyways, that was the hike. Thanks for coming along on this adventure. I hope that you all are having nice days, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and we will see you next time. Peace. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh,
That was a big throw.
yes. Do another one. It's time to go.